Hi, I'm Patrick from DocPro. We are the exclusive distributors of CanDoc modular floating systems for Sub-Saharan Africa and associated island groups. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating how to install your CanDoc Edgeline system. The CanDoc Edgeline system adds a polished design and a touch of elegance to your floating docks finish. The CanDoc Edgeline is also the best way to enhance your landscape and improve your dock safety. The CanDoc Edgeline consists of two cubes, the Edge Cube and the Edge Corner Cube, which simply bolts onto your existing CanDoc system. Following our basic CanDoc assembly method, we are going to slot our tabs in underneath our system, taking our Edgeline lowest tab and putting on a sliding nut. Tabs number 1 and 2, I require 2 spaces for the head of my connecting pin. As I work my way to the corner of our Edgeline system, put my sliding nut on my lowest tab, be tab number 1 on the Edgeline. I push that in place. There's a gap I must account for with my spacer to take up for tab number 1. And I grab my corner edge, and to make sure that it all sits nice and flush, I place in 2 spaces. Take my connecting pin, align all the tabs, and tighten in place. As I make my way around my system from the corner on the seaward facing side, I get to my edge line tab number 1, put in my sliding nut as it will be the lowest tab. I grab a grey spacer and I put that in the gap, accounting for tab number 1 on my cubes, as I'm now working between tabs 3 and tabs 2. Slot my edge line in place, grey spacer right on the top to make up for tab number 4. Insert my connecting pin and tighten in place. As I make my way on the left side of my system, working from the seaward side, again, I find tab number 1, so it's the lowest on my edge line. Insert my sliding nut. I slot that in place. I now need 2 spaces to accommodate for the missing cube tabs numbers 1 and 2. As I'm working on tab number 3, I need a grey spacer for the top. Grab my edge corner cube, place it on top of the spacer, and insert my connecting pin, and I tighten in place. As I work my way back down my system from the land side, again, tab number 1 on my edge cube, insert my sliding nut, two grey spaces as I'm still working between tabs 4 and 3. I need to make up for tabs 1 and 2 with the spaces. Insert my edge line. I do not require any additional spaces on the top because I'm working on tabs numbers 3 and 4. Insert my connecting pin and tighten in place.